Hi, I'm Claudia from cake4three. Today we will make the Navattes de Marseille together, typical boat-shaped biscuits flavored with orange. Very fragrant. My daughter did a search for the typical dishes of Marseille and asked me to prepare the Navattes. I watched various recipes on YouTube, and I thank you for the inspiration. In the description there is the original recipe in French. I turn the oven on to 175 degrees centigrade. I prepare and weigh all the ingredients. As always, I leave the doses and ingredients in the description. I start by beating the egg at room temperature with the sugar. When they are white and foamy, I add oil, orange zest, aroma, and salt. Let's mix. Then, twice, I add the flour. Finally, I add the yeast. Mix until it has the consistency of a short crust pastry. I form a ball. Let it rest for an hour at room temperature, covered with kitchen film. I divide the dough in two and make 2 rolls. Then I divide into 16 equal parts. 8 parts for each roll. If you want, weigh the pieces to have the navette all the same size. Make each one into a roll of 11/12 centimeter in length. Pinch the ends to make the bow and stern of the ship. Cut lengthwise in the center with a small knife, to create the hull. Place them on a baking tray, widen the incision a little. Finally, brush with milk. Bake for 15 minutes at 175 degrees. Here are your boats. Thanks for watching my video.